To sign back into Welfie, go to welfie.com. In the top right corner, there's a link called Sign In. Click that. Enter your email address and your password. And just like that, you're back in. Now, let's take a look at how to update your stats. In the top right corner, you'll see a link that says Update My Stats. Click on that. In the stats page, you can change the answers to the questions that you've been asked when you were onboarding, as well as update your blood pressure, your cholesterol, blood sugar, and your stroke history. We'll be adding more questions as time goes. In addition to the top right corner, you can also update your stats from the left menu bar by clicking on this purple link. Let's navigate back to the dashboard. When looking at one of the 5 pillars of heart health, let's take blood pressure for example, you can log in and dive a little deeper. And from this screen, you can also update by clicking the update link. And when you do, please remember to always hit save change. And you'll see that when I do that here, my profile is updated. I can go back to the dashboard, and now my score has been updated instantly.